Alright guys, today we're going to be taking off the back fender, and I've noticed that here and here it's a little bit bent. It's no problem. We're going to be taking the fenders, the seat, gas tank, maybe even this. Might wait on it, but yeah. We're going to, on part 4, we're going to start sanding and painting. This is part 3, and if you haven't checked out part 1 and part 2, go ahead and check those out and hit that red subscribe button on your screen in the bottom right hand corner, I believe. Alright, let's get started. Alright, the back fender is off. These 2 bolts go on the front. They're a little bit shorter. They should all be the same size, but for some reason they are different. These brackets go on the inside right here. Alright, let's work on taking this seat off. Alright, seat is off. All it takes to take the seat off is this bolt. Alright, the seat's off, and all you had to do is take this one bolt off. It was right here, and the seat has a built-in, slides in. The front of the seat has a clip, goes right there. Alright, let's take the gas tank off. Alright, the gas tank is off. All it took was to take 2 of these bolts out. The gas tank has threads built in. So keep all your bolts and everything together that needs to be together. Alright, last one, this fender, and I think I'm going to take this headlight off too. Had to grab some pliers because this bolt underneath right there wants to be stuck. So alright, the front fender is off. Just one more thing to do. Alright, we got the front fender, the headlight, gas tank, back fender, and the seat. This is what we're left with. That's that place I was talking about. It's pretty bad, but it's in a place that, just, as long as you don't slam down on the seat hard or anything like that, it should be fine. Because the seat's mainly bracketed here and here. Alright, on part 3, I'm going to start. Actually, no, this is part 3. It's part 4. I'll be straightening these dents. I only found them on the back fender, so that's good. And painting everything, definitely sanding all that rust and stuff off. And after that, I'm gonna see what I can do about getting an engine. Probably gonna go with the Predator 6.5. Not sure yet, but stay tuned for that for a future video. And I'll catch you guys later.